Rebel Canners, teaching food preservation, including the old ways. Summer in a jar. Welcome to the dark side. 2½ cups chopped cantaloupe. 1½ cups of white sugar. Tablespoons of pectin. So this is my crushed melon, my grated lemon peel, lemon juice, pectin, and sugar. Prepare and sanitize your jars, and then go ahead and fill them. Wipe your rims, place your lids and rings back on, and put them in your boiling water bath. Boiling water bath for 10 minutes. I cannot believe how much this tasted like orange sherbet. So good. Rebel Canners is now on Instagram. Come follow us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified. Rebel Canners Cookbook is available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Walmart.com.